Hello you guys, welcome to today's video. So today we're going to be reviewing some lashes. I don't think I've ever done this before. I'm not a huge fake lash wearer just because, I don't know, they're kind of annoying to put on with the glue and everything, and I've been seeing the whole magnetic lash thing lately, and I was going to try the magnetic lashes where you put one on the top and one on the bottom, but I've watched so many videos on those and they look absolutely impossible and they look awful. So when the whole magnetic liner came about, I was like, you know what, that is brilliant. I mean, you pretty much wear eyeliner anyways, so why not have an eyeliner that you could just slap some fake lashes on? Like, that is brilliant. Whoever thought of that? Good idea. Oh, I've seen so many different brands out there. I've seen high-end brands. I've seen for $55, I've seen for $20. So the other day I was perusing Amazon again, and I almost had a set in my cart. They were like $17. It's not too bad, whatever. So then I just kept looking and these guys popped up. These are, oh my goodness. And I will put a link in the description box for you guys too. Magnetic eyeliner kit, 2 pairs magnetic eyelashes with eyeliner, natural look, water resistant and no glue needed, reusable silk false lashes including tweezers and makeup mirror, more stable, easier to use. It's a mouthful. They have almost 5 stars and there's only 21 reviews, but these things were $8.99. I got Prime free one day and free returns, but I'm not going to be returning them. But I could not believe that they were only $9, and they came with 2 sets, the liner and then the little tweezers, like to apply them. We are gonna give these a shot and see if they actually work. I thought about trying to wear them to the gym, but I really don't want to wear false eyelashes to the gym. So I'm just gonna put them on and just kind of do some stuff around the house. I've got some cleaning and stuff to do. I've got 2 kids here, so I'm not gonna be just sitting around. So I figured we'll just kind of see how they work. So this is what the box looks like. When I got it, it just says M5 lashes, magnetic eyeliner and lashes. So this is what it looks like. And then the back, it just, I don't know what all this stuff is up here. Oh, for party, dating, wedding. Ooh, well, I'm doing none of the above. I'm just gonna be cleaning in my kitchen. So when you open it, slides out like this. Oh, and it says diamond down there. I'm not sure what the diamond is. I don't know if that's like the name of these lashes or whatnot, but here you've got the tweezer, you've got the eyeliner, and then the lashes are in this little compact right here. And these, I mean, they're really nice. They're like kind of like a rose gold color. So yeah, these are just little tweezers that you can apply the lashes with. I don't normally use these. I kind of just use my fingers, but I'll try these. Give it a shot. And this is what the little eyeliner looks like. It feels very, very light. So I really do wonder how much product is actually in here. There's absolutely nothing on the bottle at all. And then when you open it, this is what the liner looks like. It's very, very black, and it's just got kind of like a little brush tip like that. So I'm very anxious to see how this applies. And when you open the compact here, it's got a nice little mirror. It's like just a regular cute little compact with 2 little things to it. And then it's got the lashes in here. Okay, so here is what the lashes look like up close. They are very, very, I would say these are pretty intense. On the description, it says natural. I do not think these look natural at all, but we are gonna give them a shot. I think they'll be fun to wear, like for girls' night out, or even for my videos, just for a little bit of, you know, just, I don't know. I just think lashes are so pretty, and I had extensions one time, but they're just so high maintenance, but I loved how they look. So I thought these would be fun to try. So I am going to apply, oh yeah, and it came with a little card here, and it just kind of tells tips. Shake the bottle before using, make sure, oh yeah, it says to do like an allergy test, make sure you aren't allergic to anything. I have tried it and I'm definitely not. And it says performance will be better if you can put on the eyelash before the eyeliner dries completely. And then let's see, yeah, carefully draw eyeliner line along with your eye shape. Ensure the line close to the roots of your real eyelash. bend your magnetic lash a little bit, you know, to apply. All right, and oh, and then to remove, put enough liquid makeup remover to the cotton pads. Oh my God, there's like so many typos on here and it's really hard to read, but I get it. I get what they're trying to say. Let's do this. So this is what my lashes look like before, just so you could see a little close up. Oh wait, I forgot to shake it. Ooh, there's a ball in there. I did not know that. And I just realized something, you guys. I bought a new little drinking fountain for my cat, and it's sitting right over there, and it sounds like it sounds like you're kind of at the spa. So I am sorry if you guys can hear that. Like, it literally, yeah, it sounds like one of those like running water things like over the rocks, you know? So if you guys hear that in the background, I am so sorry. I just realized that that was on over there, and I just hope you guys can't hear it. I am gonna try to apply this before it dries. So if you guys can see that, can you see like the magnets? There's 4 little magnets on here. I don't know if you guys can see those. Can't really tell. This one actually looks like it might go on my other eye. Not sure if it makes a difference, but it looked a little shorter on the inside. And this one looks a little bit longer. So yeah, it looks to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 magnets on here. All right, let's give it a shot here. Oh, and I'm gonna try it with the tweezers just because it came with them, so why the heck not? And I did bend it a little bit. All right. Okay, I mean, that seemed a little too easy. So I will say, I don't think I have enough on the inner corner. So I am going to actually, I'm going to take them off and put a little more eyeliner on the inner corner because I feel like it doesn't have anything to stick to, but that went on really, really easy. Okay, so it definitely feels weird just because I think these lashes are just a little too long like this way for my eye. It just feels weird right here. But then when I look at it, like, it doesn't look weird. They're very intense. They're definitely not natural. There's nothing natural about these, but it's really pretty. I'm definitely curious to see how they last. So let me apply the other one and then I'll be right back. So they are both on. I mean, from far away, they look really pretty, I think. I'm not good at this. I'm definitely not an eyelash pro. So I don't know. I mean, sorry, I'm looking at the viewfinder. They look intense, but I feel like that's, from far away, I feel like they don't look that crazy. I mean, up close, they're almost up to my flippin' eyebrows, but I think they're pretty. All right, you guys, sorry, but my camera died. I thought it would be fun if we tried a hairdryer test and see what happens when they're blown with a hairdryer. Oh my gosh, I'm terrified. I hope my contacts don't fly out. I'm gonna start it off on low and just kind of, you know, and see what happens. So let's see if these bad boys really stay on. Okay, I mean, they're still on. Definitely felt weird, but I don't think they're going anywhere. That one is lifting a little bit in the middle, but maybe I just don't have enough eyeliner on, or maybe I just don't have enough eyeliner on. All right, I'm gonna turn it on high and see what happens. Oh my gosh, that feels so funny. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, but I'm cracking myself up over here. Well, I mean, see, they kind of like, when I go like that, they kind of like lift in the center here, but that one does it really bad. But I think it's because I don't have enough eyeliner on. Like, I'm impressed with these bad boys. So if you guys are looking for some cheap magnetic eyelashes, I mean, why not? I would definitely give these a shot. I can't believe they were only $9 and it definitely works. I was very skeptical. I wonder how these compare to like the more expensive ones, you know? I don't know. Have you guys ever tried them before? All right, well that does it for my experiment and my video. I mean, these are fun. I just had to share them with you guys. I ordered $10 hair extensions from Amazon a couple years ago, and I did a video on that, and you guys really liked it, so I figured, why not show you guys these $9 eyelashes? So, all right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you all soon. Bye!